So we're going to be repotting my parsley plant today. First, you're going to put your gloves on, and that's the pot I'm going to be putting it into. So I was just cleaning out like the leaves and old soil. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm putting potting soil in this bigger pot, because if you look at my parsley, you see that these roots are dying, but this is new growth, and usually what that means is that the plant is doing good. It just doesn't have enough space for it to grow and spread, so you repot it. I'm going to fill this up and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. But this is the potting soil that I use. I got it at, you can get it at the outdoor section at Walmart. It's really good. Potting mix is just always for pots, and then there's a different kind, I forgot the name, where you just put like on the ground. So this is for pots. And it works really good. I like this brand. It's kind of dusty out here. Make sure you got your gloves on. I mean, sometimes I'll do it without gloves because I like to touch it. It feels good, and it's like, it's therapeutic almost, like earth. So once you put the potting mix in there, you're gonna make like a little, a deep spot, but not too deep to where it touches the bottom. And then you remove the plant. This part is really important that you do it right, or else you could damage the plant's roots and it can die from shock. So what you do is you kind of loosen it up from the sides, like so. Be very gentle. I've been using my parsley in my food and stuff. I was supposed to get a cilantro plant, but they didn't have one when I was buying them. I think I missed the season or something. This plant has been in here for a minute, so it's like really stuck. There we go, it's coming out now. Okay, you see the roots? So you're gonna go like this, right? Put it in here. Now it's gonna look like that, and you're gonna fill up the soil around it to the top. You gotta do it to where it's not like compact, so oxygen can travel, so you gotta like loosen it up a little and make sure that the holes at the bottom are not blocked. So see these leaves right here? You're gonna cut them off because they're dead. Cutting off the dead parts of your plant is like trimming your hair. Dead. You see, this is the new growth, this right here. Alright, so you're gonna loosen your plant up like so after cutting it. Take all the little dead leaves out.